the first thing you need to do is you should be able to go near the artifact, at least this much close. You should be able to go around the artifact. Now this is an artifact which is inside the wall, alright. So I should be able to make an arch around it like this. So I need this much of space. I should be able to go inside, I should be able to come out. So itna to jagah chahiye hame. So much space we require. If there is an artifact which is a still like an object which is in the middle of something, so you should be able to capture the back side of it also. So because there is only 180-degree accessibility, I will do, if there is an object which is in the center, I will do the same thing in the back side also. So I should be able to go around that object, okay. So first thing is that, if I want to capture this artifact, this wall, will I be able to do it, yes or no? Well, I am not able to do it, but not that nicely. Correct, because I am getting only one angle. Second thing is, it is a little higher, okay. The floor height and the ceiling height, that also matters. If I am not able to capture it from the top like this, then the top of the artifact will not be, we will not be able to make a 3D model of it. Understood? So some tops information, some bottom information, some left information and some right information. So some overall information is required, then only we will be able to do it. So find an artifact which is easily accessible from all directions. This is the app, and to start the application we can press on the plus icon, and then we can go around the object and press record. So then LiDAR is going to do its work and capture the details accordingly. So you should go around the object, the artifact as much as possible, and then pause, and then you can press process, and then it is going to give you a final model. And we are going to save this. So for people who don't have iPhones, they have Android phones. So there is a application called Kiri Engine. You have to sign up for it, and then you get three export options. All right, you get 3 free export options. It's a paid app. A little tip: if you like run out of those 3 exports, then you can re-sign in with another account. Anyways, that's a hack. So it looks like something like this. Okay, in the end. So there is a plus sign, exactly like the app in the iPad. So you click on it, and it says upload from album or take photographs. So if you have taken photographs already and it is saved in your phone, then you can use this option. But we are at the site, we are going to take photographs right now. So I'm going to say take photos. All right. It's going to show me how to take photographs. So basically you go around the object, you select an object which is, go around the object, and then you make an orbit around the object and clicking photos like that. Okay. There should be about 70% overlap on each photograph. You take one photo here and you take one photo here, there is no overlap at all. There should be like 70% overlap. Okay. About like 5 degrees you can take. So I'm going to close this. So now it is giving me photos taken 0 out of 70, it says. So I can take 70 photographs of one artifact. Okay. You can take lesser photographs also. If you want more details of an artifact, so you the more the photos, the better the artifact object is going to come, the 3D model is going to come, but it's going to take a lot more time to process also. So I'm going to take like 20 photographs, that is like decent for this detail of an artifact. Okay. So I'm going to go around, I'm taking photographs, 1, 2, so I'll quickly do this. Okay. So I'm making a C type, so I'm going a little up and I'm trying to cover everything as much as possible. So it is alright if you are moving out also. And sometimes the details are very close, okay? So you can go closer also, like this. And I'm taking as much photos as possible. Okay? So I took like 42 photos out of 70. I'm going to press next. And it says upload. You can do all these. So you can name it artifact. And then art and heritage label. And then I'll say upload. So it's going to upload and do something, and after half an hour, we're going to see the results. So it is not instantaneous like LiDAR, but it is going to take its time. This is nice. You have lots of images. This is good. So basically, try to have a boundary and capture the entire thing, and do that. Then you will be able to make a 3D model like this. So I've used LiDAR, but your photos are good enough so that you can make a 3D model. Take photo, walk a little, take photo, walk a little, take photo. So you have to create the entire photo information for photogrammetry to be able to recognize. Like one photo will not do it. The images are sharp, some are moving, but that's fine. So this is motion blur. Okay. So we will try to reduce this as much as possible. So this will not get selected for photogrammetry. There is a sequence. I can see a path on which you have taken the artifact. Everything is cool. So now things like the top of the snake's head will not get a mesh basically, because the camera is not able to see from the top. Yes. So you have to take your phone and take a path like that, okay, from the top also, and then from the bottom also you will cover that. Okay. This is a very rough artifact. There is no smooth lines which are there. So this will be very difficult to for the mesh room to create the mesh basically. So for example, this artifact we have. So the geometry is defined. So you know where the line ends. It is a little bit smooth. So when you touch it, you can understand it's a straight, flat surface.